back to my channel Prabha Crafts. I am doing this beautiful Thoranam, cherry Thoranam. Let us start. I am using two type of color yarn, red and green. Scissor, name, hook number, Indian type 13, model number Timble, and needle. First I am making cherries. To make it magic ring, channel 1, 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now pull the yarn very tight, slip stitch. Next channel 1, this round is each channel 2 single crochet. Total number of channel is 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now close to slip stitch. Now cherry is formed. Now cut the yarn. Now guide the extra yarn. Now cherry is ready. To make it many numbers of cherries. To make it slip knot, channel 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 channels. Now skip 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth channel using slip stitch. Next channel 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now connect to cherries. Go to slip stitch. Next turn the cherries. Now go to this point, each channel is slip stitch. 6 slip stitch continues to 6 slip stitch. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One cherry is ready. Next channel 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now connected to second cherries. Now close to slip stitch. Now rotate the cherries. Continue to 6 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The cherry is ready. Next channel 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now close to slip stitch. Now close to slip stitch. Second cherry's starting point. Go to slip stitch. The second leaf is ready. Now again first cherries starting point, go to slip stitch. The one portion of cherry, one set of cherries ready. Next another set continues to set of cherries. Channel 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now skip 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth channel using go to slip stitch. Next channel 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then connected to cherries. Go to slip stitch. Now rotated. Then 6 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next channel 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next cherries connected to green color yarn. Next continue to 6 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The channel 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now close to starting point. First, second cherry is starting point. Now close to slip stitch. Next, first cherry is close to slip stitch. Next channel number 23. A beautiful wall hanging. Then continue to next segment of cherries. Finally, I am doing many segment of cherries. final channel 15, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now cut the yarn. Beautiful cherry door hanging. Beautiful thoranam door hanging is ready. Try it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the videos, share the channels. Thank you. Thanking all.